Ever wondered about the speed of a sneeze? Hold tight because science has the answer. A sneeze rockets out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah can sprint. And here's another mind-boggling fact. Each sneeze expels about 100,000 germs into the air, so next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to do the elbow sneeze to keep those germs to yourself. But wait, there's more. Did you know that sunlight can make you sneeze? It's a phenomenon called photic sneeze reflex, and it affects up to 1 in 3 people. Now, you're armed with some sneeze trivia to share. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of random facts.